Hello. I can't see because I don't have my glasses on, but I'm going to be doing my makeup at 6 o'clock at night because I am bored. So yeah, I guess you're just gonna have to come along for the ride. I'm not gonna do like something too complicated, just like something quick to entertain me. And I guess I'm just gonna like chit chat. But I have brow gel, like $5 brow gel that I got at Walgreens. I have some really cheap items, but I also have really expensive items from like Sephora and stuff. Like this was like $50 rose gold skin mist, and it's completely out, but you know, would I buy it again? No, because my hair color is like reddish. I try to match my brows, so I just go in with some reddish brownish color. I don't know what my hair color is right now, honestly. If the freaking mirror covers my face the entire time, I'm very sorry, but you know. I shaved the tail ends of my eyebrows off to be like edgy. It also makes doing your brows a lot easier, but I don't think I'd ever shave them off completely because I'm not that extreme. Like, I have to look a little mainstream. Maybe when I'm older, I'll have the guts to shave my eyebrows off. Some people pull it off really well. A lot of people are like, "Oh my god, your eyebrows are so good. How do you do them?" And I'm like, I don't know. I just do them. It took a lot of practice to be able to do my eyebrows decent. Like, those eyebrows used to look like caterpillars when I was like younger. Oh my goodness, they look terrible. I actually don't use a brush. I use a concealer stick to shape my eyebrows. I just grab my foundation, which is almost out. But I do have another foundation. I have this foundation, the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. But I really like the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I don't know. I haven't tried the Maybelline one, but we'll see. Let's pray to the eyebrow gods that they turn out okay. Because sometimes they be looking cute, but then sometimes this happens. It's funny because I literally just took my makeup off, and now I'm putting it on again. Because I was doing makeup for a cosplay, like a test makeup, and then I wore that for a while. I was just walking around the house in the cosplay, and I don't know, my family does not care. They gave 0 fucks. Trust the process. And I take a brush. This brush has been through a lot. Like, this poor thing. All of my brushes have been through a lot. I have not washed them in a while, which is nasty, I know, but I'm just really lazy. I used to use way too light of a foundation, and I fixed that because I looked like really pale, but then I would have this line right here where it just cut off and it looked really bad. And I was going to school at the time. I graduated this year, but I was going to school at the time, and no one told me that I looked like a clown going to school with too light of a foundation. And for some reason, it like was like yellow, like orange right here. I guess I didn't put my. I'm gonna go in with more of this stuff. I'm already out. I got this like a week ago. But I would go to school looking like straight up clown because I didn't know how to do makeup. I still don't, but I pretend I do. Oh my goodness. I don't know what to talk about, honestly. If you guys have questions, just feel free to ask me questions. You know, answer them in the next video that I post, which will probably be me getting into cosplay. That's my next video, probably. It's very exciting, I know. Just keep that foundation on, yeah. That'll be good for your skin. I'm getting pimples. I don't have acne anymore, or so I thought. I had horrible acne as a teenager though. Yeah, I didn't know how to use foundation, so I think I just caked it on way too much, and that just made it worse. Did not help my situation there. I was the kind of kid that would like sing Vocaloid on the school bus. I was like unashamed about how I liked anime and like warrior cats. It was cringy. My family is fighting, so if you hear anything, then it's my family fighting. Okay, so I have two sponges. One's a powder sponge, one's a foundation sponge, and I'm pretty sure I just switched them up, so like all that work to separate them just went down the drain. I have to contour my nose. I gotta bake the face. I didn't learn how to do that until like this year. I didn't know a lot of things. Just use your eyeshadow palette for like basically all of your face products. When in doubt, do yellow eyeshadow. I used to have yellow hair. I've had a lot of hair colors, but I think yellow is my favorite. But there's a rule with my mom that if my hair is long, I can't dye it crazy colors, so it makes me sad. I don't know if any of you guys have rules like that. I am the queen at eyeliner. I used to be terrible at it, but then I got better because I just kept doing it. Practice does make perfect. Or not. That was terrible. It didn't turn out that bad. It was not as traumatizing as I thought it'd be. I always manage to get mascara on my eyelid every time. You know what? I'm gonna put glitter on my eye. I have this mysterious tube of glitter that just like popped up in my makeup case somehow. I don't know where it came from. Now I don't have to buy glitter. It can just magically appear. Got this lip liner at Walgreens. You need to go fancy places. I'm using this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. It's actually very matte. They did not lie. Ah. Just went all the way up in my mouth. I can taste it. Ew. Yeah, I'm fixing it up a little bit. I somehow made it worse. It's very matte though, like it literally just dried. Like, I'm impressed. See, is there a brush anywhere? Wait. I have a wig brush. Oh my god. Oh, I found eyelashes. Hi. I have a wig brush in here, so I can. It's terrible. Oh my god, my hair is so thick. Jesus Christ. There we go. Thank you, wig brush, that I suddenly found in my drawer. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me at 6:30 at night, where I'll promptly take this makeup off in an hour. But I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me, and if you have any questions, I'll do a Q&A or just answer your questions. And if you just want to comment and chat, or you know, drop a like, drop a subscribe to see more. Yeah, thank you. Bye.